right, let's get you more reactions coming in on the big story of the day. Sonia Gandhi's appearance before the ED. Anisha Mathur is joining us live. She has with her Mr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi. Anisha, it's over to you.
Well, we're standing with Mr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi right now. Sir, the ED has summoned Mrs. Gandhi. What exactly is the Congress's reaction to that? And Ravi Shankar Prasad this morning has said this is not a satyagraha, this is a duragraha. How do you respond?
It's very sad to hear such uninformed and ill-informed comments. A person who is there merely as the head of a Congress party with no direct involvement with anything lends her name to a not-for-profit Section 8 company which can give no perks, no dividends, no benefits even if it wants to, is being harassed and called by the ED. She should never have been called in the first place. She has not done any operational activity in any event by being one of the shareholders or directors of Young India. She has absolutely no role except as the head of the Congress party. Obviously there is an associational issue. She should never have been called. I think not for the Congress, not for Sonia Gandhi alone, but for the whole country. There is a clear established truth that in 75 years of Indian independence, and we are celebrating the 75th now, no government, BJP, non-BJP, no government of any political color has exhibited the cheap, petty vendetta which this particular government has. And it is to cover such cheap tactics unknown to Indian democracy and Indian ethos that such ill-informed comments like Duragreh are being made.
So just one more question. The parliament session is going on. Could the ED have summoned Mrs. Gandhi like this without permission or without informing the speaker or permission of the speaker? What is the legal procedure here?
Well, clearly for all such issues, the permission, the intimation, the interaction and the participation of the Speaker's office is necessary. Goes without saying. It may be a formality. The Speaker never inhibits these agencies from doing what they want, but it is a necessary formality.
Sir, the PMLA case in Supreme Court, we're still awaiting that judgment on the powers of the ED and the contours of the PMLA. What at the moment are the legal recourses available to Mrs. Gandhi, and what are you going to be doing about it?
It is not a question of the judgment reserved by the Supreme Court at all. That will decide legal issues which have no relevance today for the issue you are asking me. The issue is a very different one which the BJP is trying to hide. It is the misuse of puppet agencies. It is the dictatorial direction given to all agencies to go after a select few and ignore the blue-eyed persons who get suddenly whitewashed.
But what are the legal steps available for Mrs. Gandhi at the moment after being summoned by the ED?
There is no legal step necessary. She has been summoned, she is going. My point is that this is actuated by ill will, malice, motivation, and she ought never to have been summoned, but she is going like a dutiful citizen.
Ravi Shankar Prasad has also said that Congress is turning into a pocket, this is a pocket party, and that I'm just quoting him here, Congress party परिवार की जेबी संस्था हो चुकी है, नेता भी जेब पर हैं और कांग्रेस पार्टी की संपत्ति पर भी परिवार की जेब पर लाए जाने की कोशिश हो रही है. How do you...
I can only say that these are perhaps internal competitions within the BJP to be more virulently anti-Gandhi, anti-Congress, to increase their own relevance.
एक हिंदी में भी यही सवाल हम पूछ रहे हैं आपसे, अगर हिंदी में आप जवाब दे दें. कांग्रेस जो रविशंकर प्रसाद ने कहा उस पर आपकी क्या बात है?
ऐसी शब्दावली बहुत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है. ये वास्तव में इस्तेमाल इसलिए की जा रही है क्योंकि ढांकने का प्रयत्न है. 75 वर्ष भारतीय स्वतंत्रता के बाद किसी सरकार ने, किसी रंग की सरकार ने, बीजेपी हो, नॉन बीजेपी हो, इस प्रकार की प्रतिशोध की राजनीति, इस प्रकार की दुराग्रह की राजनीति नहीं दिखाई है जो इस सरकार ने दिखाई है. अपनी पपेट एजेंसियों का दुरुपयोग करके